Early morning in the forest. A long journey begins.
He's taking 2 elephants safely back to the reserve.
But the road is not as calm as it seems. The mud grabs hold. The tractor starts to struggle.
He's stuck, deep in the middle of nowhere.
Don't worry, my friends, we'll get out of this.
He's trying to give the wheels a grip.
Even the elephants know that. They're not moving.
He needs rescue, and fast.
Help has arrived. Together, they'll fight the mud.
It's moving, just a little more.
The forest lets go of its grip. They made it! Ha ha! Sometimes, strength comes from those beside you. If you enjoyed this rescue, don't forget to subscribe for more epic adventures.